Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the app and your phone so changes stick. Make sure the Facebook app is updated because older builds hide data controls. Once updated, open Facebook and tap the three-line menu. This gets you to Preferences immediately. While here, disable automatic media downloads in your OS if you plan to conserve cellular data. These first steps avoid wasted toggles later and place you directly into Facebook settings, where the data saver controls live. Next, go into Settings and find Media and Contacts to change media behavior. Toggle Data Saver on so Facebook compresses images and limits background data use. This reduces bytes without breaking functionality. Pick the lower quality media option if available, because it saves significant bandwidth while keeping content readable. Also disable video autoplay on mobile, and even on Wi-Fi if you want maximum savings. Once these are set, Facebook will request less data for feeds, photos, and videos. To finish, lock in settings by reviewing app permissions, restrict background data, and prevent high-resolution uploads by default so new posts don't waste your plan. Then test the effect for 1 day while monitoring cellular usage. This confirms savings and shows any outlier features. If you notice missing content or crashes after changes, clear Facebook's cache first, and if problems persist, reinstall the app. That often fixes corrupted settings and restores normal behavior while keeping your data saver preferences intact.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.